Eguchi actually is a musician, artist, an actor, a dancer, and a music producer. The single that I'm gonna drop recently, it's all about enlightening people about the like is it or like maybe we tell you about the advice and maybe whether you don't wanna listen, you have told. Oh, the song is partnered with this other young upcoming producer, who's in Limpopo, Ice Beats. Yeah, you must check out Ice Beats. Yeah, the song is gonna drop this month, which is August, on the 28th. You must check it. It will be available everywhere.